guys, it's Amy with A to Z Stamping, and today I have a card for you using the Flourishing Phrases stamp set. Ignore all my writing. Sometimes I write notes on my stamp set. So this stamp set comes in 2 boxes, and I've had this one for several years now. So it does come in the clear amount, which I think they're calling something else now. But anyway, this is a really fun stamp set to own. I love the flower and everything. But I came up with this really simple card I wanted to show you using the dies, the Flourish Dies. And I was using this one right here that I thought came out pretty cute. So let me show you what I've got. All right, so we're going to start with our... Let's start with our stamping. So I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock here. And this is cut at 3 3/4 by 1 inch. And I am going to use the Blueberry Bushel Ink. And I'm going to be using the stamp that says, "Thank you so very much." All right, so I've got that here. Let me get it. Actually, I want to line it up on the new clear mount stamps. You can put the sticker on the back and they stay on really well. But on my old stamps, they still don't work. Sorry if you couldn't see me just now. I'm just lining that up straight so I could stamp it straight. All right, so let me ink that up. So if you see some of my stamps now, sorry, they're called cling stamps. There we go. The new cling stamps will have the stickers on the back, whereas the old clear mount, which is what this is, don't. So that's the difference there. All right, so I'm going to just line this up all the way to the right, and I'm going to stamp. Thank you very much. Perfect. Let me grab my chamois, clean that off. All right, and that is actually all the stamping. This is a quite simple card. All right, then I took the die from the Flourish Dies, and I ran it through my Big Shot using paper from the new Peacock Lane, I think, suite. Anyway, again, it's at the bottom. I'm still learning the names of things. And there's foil paper in that suite, and I ran it through, and I got this. The cool thing about our dies now is they all work with any die cutting machine you have. I still have the Big Shot, but I cut this out. Isn't that so cool? Can you see it? Make sure I'm on the screen. But that foil paper is really neat. Here's a little bit. Here's the foil paper closer up. See that? Really cool. So anyway, I cut out the flower. So we're going to use that. So now with this piece of the foil designer series paper from the Peacock suite, this is cut at 4 by 1 1/4. It should be, yep. And I'm going to go ahead and mount this with my snail adhesive right on top of that. Okay, and then I'm going to grab a glue dot. Love the glue dots. Stick it right in the center, and my glue dot's gonna go right here in the center. Okay, and I'm gonna set that aside for a second. All right, so for my card, I have some Blueberry Bushel cardstock. So this was a standard 8.5 by 11 sheet that I cut in half the long way, so it's 4 1/4 by 11. And Blueberry Bushel, it's one of the 2018 to 20 in color. So this color will be around just for 1 more year. All right. Then I have another piece of the foil, or this is from the Pretty Peacock. Anyway, I'm not totally sure. Peacock Lane, something along the lines. Anyway, it's at the bottom. Sweet. Isn't that so cool, that foil? Isn't that pretty? And this should be cut, let me just check. Yep, 4 by 5 1/4. And we're going to go ahead and just mount this right on top. Yeah, the foil paper is really cool. All right. And I love, though, these, like, well, it kind of looks like green. Could be leaves. I'm not sure. But I like anything that's shiny and sparkly like that. Can you see that? Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and grab this and stick our adhesive. Okay. This guy is going to go right here. I'm going to line it right up to the edge. Okay. Then I'm going to grab the faceted gold gems. I'm glad these have stuck around. And I still have my trusty old little pokey tool here. We now have the take your pick tool, which is great. I just haven't, I haven't started using it much yet. Okay, so I'm going to grab this out, and this is going to go right in the center, like so. And that is my card. Isn't that so pretty? It's really pretty in person. Thank you so very much. So simple. And here's one I did earlier. See, same card. Isn't that flower stunning? And you can kind of bend it up a little if you want, just to get a little more dimension. Isn't that cool? So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, guys. Bye.